Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so new all-time high 1675 on Monday. They print 16 yesterday. They get a little bit of a push down. They did 64, but they couldn't convert anything down here. It didn't engage the 9-day, didn't engage the weekly pivot, and they end up bouncing it back up into the 4400 area. So it ended up just being a really nice trading day. Nice short on the way down, nice long coming back up. We're still actually in the long, at least in the runner, from down in the 70s, mid 70 area. So solid trading day. It's been a solid trading week, and we're 2 days into it. Hourly chart, you can see the steady climb. If you back it out, it's that steady climb from 42.24. They gave it up a little bit back here yesterday when they went and did 64. It was a lower low versus Monday, which got interesting. But again, the problem is this. When they come down and do these things, they don't seal things off. They don't do that deeper move. Because until you get down below the weekly pivot, until you get down, you get the weekly pivot, the 20-day, and the 9-day. Until you start to convert these areas on a closing basis and then spend entire Globex sessions below those areas to establish resistance. Every one of these dips is getting bought. Every one of these dips is going to a higher high. And that's where price is going to reside until something comes out that knocks it down and keeps it down. But whatever you've got on the news wire, you can speculate about it all you want, but it's not enough to knock it down, and it's not enough to keep it down. So some of the tighter levels today, you got hourly midband 91.25, VWAP is coming in 94.5, proprietary moving average sitting basically 98, 5-minute mid sitting 97.75. You got the roundy obviously at 4,400. They've made 2 attempts at the roundy early this morning, just after 7:30, just after 8:30. So you've got the Fed today at 2 o'clock. So you really have an opportunity to kind of shelf it and just kind of hang out between, call it 43.90 and 4,400 into 2 p.m. and see where it goes from there. Wouldn't be surprised if that happened. You can see it kind of, already starting to, it is consolidating. The reason it doesn't feel so painful is that it's consolidating in pretty wide ranges. Those are some pretty big 1-hour candles. Certainly big enough to get, handles made, and certainly big enough to trade. So we'll see how that goes as we get into the day. And then, 2 p.m. Fed, don't game it. We always figure out the reaction range and whether we're doing higher lows or lower highs versus that range, and whether we're breaking out or breaking down from that range. It's a much more risk-responsible way to trade the Fed, that's for sure. All right, that's all I've got. Short and sweet today. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come join the room. Come trade this stuff with us. It's a great group of people. Got a lot of new people. It's a good time to start, and we'll teach you how to do this stuff the right way. Trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.